Hello and welcome to a new uniTFTDesigner video tutorial. My name is Jonas and I'm working for Electronic Assemblies development team.
Today's topic is the menu. Create, customize and use it. As you can imagine, first we need a menu. Just drag into the screen. The first path is filling the menu with entries. Please double click on the object. Let's create a menu that you need for a text pad or something like that. I create multiple entries for file. After a function group, I want to add a separator. I fill up the group edit. As you can see, it's possible to drag items. I move the separator after undo redo. To complete the main groups, I add tools. Another possibility with main menus are submenus. Just click on the arrow to add one. Generally, most menus have icons. Just right-click on the item and add a picture. The icons are automatically resized to suit to the text size. You can also check an entry. Again, a right-click is needed and you can set the state. Or you can disable an entry in the same way. Right-click and disable. We are ready with the menu. So let's have a look at our project in the simulator. Just press F6. We can test and simulate touch events with the mouse. Of course, nothing happens at the moment if you select an item. Let's change the look of the menu. You could change the select style or change the main box style, like I do, selecting orange. Just play around with the other parameters like corner radius and distance between the entries. That was the basic part, creation of the menu. The next step is bringing the menu to life to recognize the user change events. Therefore, I placed 3 labels. Change them to automatic updating ones. The root menu gets register 0, the menu register 1, and the submenu register 2. I also place a simple label to print the string which menu is selected. Of course, all of my objects need a meaningful name. Now we have to react to the change event. I need a slot that is called, so I create a new macro, going to the project view and create it. First, I want to output the complete string, including root menu, menu, and submenu. Therefore, we need a command vso that reads the object string. I read the string register 0 and change with ssc the label. The next task is filling the register values with the menu IDs. I add the comment variable register integer VRI and write to register 0. I need 2 calculation commands. The first command is man R, which filters the root menu from the complete menu item number. As parameter, we need the second command, which must return the complete menu item number. The needed command is object ml menu last with its parameter object ID. I repeat the line 2 times, but with the command man_m for menu number and man_s for submenu number. Before testing, we need to connect the macro with the change event. Just go to the macro section and set the release macro to the created one. Let's start the simulator and see our output. As you can see, the complete menu item number consisting of root menu, menu and submenu is automatically updated, as well as the string.
I hope you enjoyed today's uniTFTDesigner tutorial. Maybe you have time and play around a little bit with our other sample projects and enjoy our video tutorials.